Make your self-enrollment at FUAB Formació School is easy and fast. On the website sia.uab.es you have to click on assigning the password to new students. You will need to enter your national ID number, NIE, or passport number, and the email address you provided during the pre-enrollment process.
You will receive an email with your NIU and a temporary OTP code. You will then be able to create your password and start the self-enrollment process. Click on Self-Registration of New Undergraduates and log in using your NIU and password. To start your enrollment, click the green arrow. The first section is Personal Details. Check that all the information is correct and updated if necessary. Remember to read and accept the privacy and intellectual property policies and the personal data processing policies. Please note that you must open each link before you can accept it. The second section is a questionnaire. You can complete it now or later by accessing the Enrollment Surveys section on the sia.uab.es website. The third section is the selection of the subjects to be enrolled. The first thing you need to choose is your attendance status. This is usually full-time, with 60 ECTS credits. If you choose part-time study, you must enroll in a minimum of 30 and a maximum of 42 ECTS credits. You must now select the subjects. If you want to change groups, edit the module using the pencil icon and select the new group. If there are no available places, the system will not allow you to make the change. You can request it with supporting documentation through online procedures. If you are coming from a higher vocational training program with recognized credits, remember not to select the recognized subjects. It is also essential to have requested recognition through online procedures before enrolling. You can also add second-year modules to complete your enrollment. You can search for additional modules using the Add Module by Code button. The fourth section is the Payment Information section. If you are entitled to a discount or scholarship, it will be selected automatically. If it has not been applied, you will need to send us the supporting documentation, and we will contact you when you can continue. You can then select your payment option, a single payment or payment in installments. Choose how you would like to pay, by card, direct debit, or through a financial institution. You can also make a charitable contribution or sign up for the UAB Physical Activity Service. Do not take out mobility insurance, as it is not required in your first year. Review all the information before confirming. You can go back by clicking on the relevant step in the top menu. Download your enrollment confirmation, the payment slip if you have selected payment through a financial institution, or the mandate if you have selected direct debit. If you have chosen bank financing, do not forget to submit the financing application. If you have not been able to download your enrollment confirmation, you can also return to consulting and reprinting the registration document from sia.uab.es. For more information, please consult the online enrollment manual.